The Yellowstone caldera. The last thing you'd want to happen to the United States is a supervolcanic eruption, but as it turns out, that might be what we're gonna get. Yellowstone scientists have been uploading data to the official park site, showcasing concerning signs that an eruption is imminent. Over the past 2.1 million years, Yellowstone volcano has had 3 immense explosive volcanic eruptions. The current Yellowstone caldera comprises nearly 1/3 of the land area in the park. It was formed 640,000 years ago by the last eruption. Supervolcanoes occur when magma in the mantle rises into the crust but is unable to break through. Pressure builds in a large and growing magma pool until the crust is unable to contain the pressure. During a supervolcanic eruption, there would be a great deal of ash falling in the surrounding region and the formation of a giant caldera depression as the ground collapses. A full eruption of the Yellowstone volcano would put 2,000 million tons of sulfur into the atmosphere. Within 2 to 3 weeks, the rest of the Earth would be covered with the sulfuric acid aerosols, dropping average global temperatures by as much as 10 degrees. This cooling would last anywhere from 5 to 8 years. Ash would blanket a large portion of the United States, killing millions of people. Most people would die from the inhaled ash in the air that forms a cement-like substance in the lungs. Some of the ash from Yellowstone volcano would also reach Europe and other parts of the world, but outside of the US, the ash would be more like a dusting. Another negative outcome of this event would be the destruction of our food supplies, ecosystems, and waterways. Most scientists believe that the buildup preceding a catastrophic eruption would be detectable for weeks and perhaps months before the event. Precursors to volcanic eruptions include strong earthquakes and rapid ground deformation. These typically take place days to weeks before an actual eruption. Another caldera-forming eruption is very unlikely in the next 1,000 or even 10,000 years. Sure, Yellowstone might theoretically erupt in our lifetime, but there is nothing anyone can do about it. The results of a catastrophic eruption are beyond human ability to impact, much less control. Look at it this way. Being worried will not save a single life. It would be best to limit your worries to things that you can control.